All month long during Pride, San Diego is standing by the LGBTQ+ community, and while there are many people out there who are out and proud, there are still stigmas in certain cultures of being in the LGBTQ+ community.
One organization here in San Diego is trying to break barriers and take steps to break those stigmas with services for people in the AAPI community. CBS 8's Regina Ahn is in North Park with the story.
QAPIMEDA stands for Queer Asian American Pacific Islander Middle Eastern Desi Americans. The organization has been in San Diego since 2019, and it's been a source for people seeking mental health resources and more.
I feel accepted in a way that I haven't before.
Grace and Willow's journey hasn't been easy.
I'm gender fluid, asexual, aromantic, well, gray sexual, gray romantic, and I'm a relationship anarchist.
Growing up half Indonesian, they say it was hard to find others in the API community who understood what they were going through.
I went to UCI, which was predominantly Asian, and even at the LGBTQ center, there wasn't much representation.
After graduating last year, Grayson found QAPIMEDA, attending an event called The Sweet Escape, where many API LGBTQ+ people were there as well.
It took me a solid 20 minutes just to stand there and kind of absorb the fact that this was happening.
John Erickson Likes is the Public and Community Relations Chair for QAPIMEDA. He says the goal is to get people like Grayson together and connect them with a space where they can be themselves.
We basically create programs and we create lots of events to celebrate and to uplift the voices of those in the API or APIMEDA and LGBT community.
He says there's still a lot of work to be done within the API community with acceptance and understanding of LGBTQ+ people.
You know, there's a lot of that traditional viewpoints from our parents that we had to go through growing up. There's a pathway that we had to follow. And if it doesn't align with that, you know, who do we turn to?
And the goal, he says, ultimately is to shine a light on a community that is often overlooked. If you are in need of mental health resources, you can contact QAPIMEDA directly. There's also an event with the organization coming up on July 21st called Mix at 6. We'll have all of that information for the event and some resources for you available on CBS8.com. Just click on the help button.